How to fix this Google account is not yet associated with a device error. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Google application in the device that you want to log in to your account. After that, go to the top right corner. Now, drag down this button and then go to add another account. So you must follow all these process. Simply verify your identity using your fingerprint scanner or your PIN to your locking or unlocking your device. Then since you are using already existing account, simply enter your email or phone, then enter your password. If you have two-factor authentication, get the code from the device that you have already that account logged in, and then you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.